Hello again. As you watched at the previous video, I made a bidding on eBay and this is what I got. A Bontrager stem for my Emonda bike. This is what I received. This part was stated as new and I would like to see if this is new, original new and original, not fake Chinese. This is the blender accessories. Let's see what it has inside. Okay, this is for the Garmin and this is for the light. This is single mount, so or you put the Garmin or you just put the light on. This seems to be original, and the box, it seems to be original. It has the original code, the weight, the length, everything. Okay, the box is not in perfect condition, but for sure it is a box and it looks like original box. So this is the stem. Let's see how it is. Okay, so this is how it is. I cannot see any scratches or something. This is a sticker from the company. It says about to install a 5mm spacer on the stem. Okay, this is also one sticker to show which side it goes. This is up and this is down, if I'm not wrong. Okay, we see here that the screws are not very damaged, maybe not damaged at all. This is what you have to see. And here, okay, so another part very important that we have to see what is happening here, because if you fit this stem on your bag, it should have some markings. I see something, but not sure if this is something that it shows, because this is very smooth at the hand. You can see. Let me take a flashlight to see better. I can't see anything. Here is something. Leave your comments below and to tell me what you think about this. Is this normal? Is this new or not? What is your opinion? Okay, we will see. So let's see now how it's from inside. I want to see if there are some markings or something. Okay. Oh, this is not very good. I don't like this build quality from Bontrager. You see how they made this? They put this thing to fit in here. Okay, but here you could see some markings if it was fitted on a handlebar, but I don't see anything. And here you can see from the inside of the stem, I will put some light here. Okay, this is something like a code from Bontrager. This is interesting, probably this is original, that's why it has this sticker here. Let's see inside. It has some dirt here from the carbon, be careful with this. I don't see very nice quality inside here, it's very rough, but this is what it is. My opinion is that I wouldn't buy again a product like this. I don't see a very good build quality, and also I don't feel very nice the bolts, how they are getting inside here, like they are not very straight, something like that. But it's okay, this is what it is. It was an offer for the price that I bought it. It's okay, and that's it. So next video will be how I will fit this stem on my Honda bike. I'm just waiting a set of bearings for the headset. So when I get the bearings, I will fit this on my bike. See you later.